Hello everyone, today I just wanted to show you guys this thermostat we've been using almost 3 years for now, and it is performing really well. It has cool and heat option. Currently we only use as a heat, and it is performing really well. You can set the room temperature. This is what a setting you put, and this is the current room temperature, so you can increase, decrease however you like. The installation was super easy, so you can see I just removed it. As you can see here, it is like color coded: white, blue, orange, whatever the color, and this is going from yellow, green, and here we connect white to red, and it's like this is how you can see whatever your current system have. You can label them and carry to this one. And as you can see here, this is the back of it, and you have, if you have electric or gas, you can switch this here and it will take care of the settings by itself. And you would just put it that way, and that's all. And you want to change the battery, this is how you change it. You open the top, and it uses two AAA batteries, and it also shows the humidity inside the room, and whatever the setting you put here, you can also see this is on the heat, and it shows the humidity level which you set it, and you can see nice beautiful green color. It lights up and it's helpful during the night. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching.